Additional tips for improving your online presence. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to have a strong online presence. So, to make your business visible on Google Maps, there are a few other things you can do to improve your online presence. One is to create a website for your business. This will give customers a place to learn more about your products and services, and it also provides a way for customers to contact you directly. You can also use social media to promote your business and connect with potential customers. By using these tools, you can help build up your brand and make it easier for customers to find and do business with you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.